I'm going to update all of my assignments in American music on Blackboard in 60 seconds or less. Here we go. Timer running. All right, go to Batch Edit. And I'm going to do Start Here, Module 1, Module 2, Edit Dates. All right, I'm going to do change dates based on course start. Yeah, we're good with that. Let's put the course start. And we're going to go here. I'll click 25. And the new start date, which is really the 20th, but I got to select 19 because it's going to put the official start date on the 20th, putting 147 days in between. Trust me on this one. Hit Edit Dates. Okay, good to go on the first part. I'm going to keep going, and I'll explain at the end. All right, we need to batch edit again for the second half of the course. Going to do Module 3, Module 4. Going to edit dates. Now it's 147. This time I'm just going to do by days. Let's do change dates by number of days. We're going to shift dates forward. Let's go, let's see, 147, 154. Okay, got to add in the extra days because of spring break. You got an extra week in there, so I got to do the math on that one. Okay, now I got to do one more thing. Let me go to Batch Edit. And let's go to Module 4. And I want to adjust one of the assignments that has moved to another date. So let me click that one. This just changed weeks. I made an assignment change for 2026. So we're going to go... I changed something. This has nothing to do with batch edit. It was just me changing something. So I want to put in there where it now falls, which is going to be May 3rd. All right, May 3rd, 2026, 11 p.m. That's just a week change on my end that I wanted to move it. Final exam's going to be off because final exams can get displaced because they can run from, Sunday to, Wednesday, Friday to Thursday. They can run, it runs through a week basically. So I need to make sure these things can move. So I'm going to select final exam. I'm going to edit dates, and I want to actually put in that due date. I know when the final exams close. We're going to go to the 14th. We're going to put in the time. And we're done. The whole class has been updated. Well, maybe I didn't make it in 60 seconds. Certainly gave it a good go. Okay, awesome. Hope that helps.